So I'm rolling. You're going about halfway up, putting no pressure on the way up, and then putting pressure on the way back. And then with your other hand, you're turning it. So as you're pulling it back, I pull up slightly with my left hand to kind of make it bigger and to kind of correct any forms of any non-roundness that you get. You do want to leave the center a little bit thicker, and you want to try to make the outside a little bit thinner. So when you pinch it, all the folds, when they come together, you don't want it to become too dense. So you are trying to get it as thin as you can. So where it's about 3 inches, put it in there. And then we're adding about 30 grams of meat and soup. And this is your 2-hand process. You're gonna pinch. I'm right-handed, so I use my right hand to pinch. You're gonna pinch, pull up, make a pleat with your index finger on your left hand. Pinch, pleat, pinch, pleat, pinch, pleat. And as you're doing this, I'm using my thumb on my left finger to push the meat in, and I'm slightly turning the dumpling in my hand so your right hand doesn't migrate all the way around, because then the pleats don't work. So pinch, pleat, pull, pinch, pleat, pull, pinch, pleat, pull, pinch, pleat, pull, and you can see that my thumb just kind of stays in there the whole time until you get to a point where your thumb no longer stays in there, can no longer fit, and then you get this little thing, and then you just gotta keep on pinching and pleating, pinching and pleating, pinching and pleating, pinching and pleating, and then very end, you give it a swirl. I try to round it out a little bit. And something they actually do a lot is they take it and they just like throw it down, and it flattens it down a little bit.